So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are filming an updated makeup routine, which is my updated makeup routine, of course. I put like on my Insta stories, I put which type of video did you guys wanted to see. I gave two options, whether it was updated makeup routine or a chit chat fall get ready with me, and a lot of you guys said both, so I'm gonna try and film both. I'm gonna film today one of them, and then maybe tomorrow film the chit chat. I did film, I think it was a chit chat get ready with me a few weeks ago. I filmed it here, but I still haven't edited it, so I gotta edit that and see if it has anything to do with the fall chit chat get ready with me. Yeah, this intro, I don't want it for it to be very long. I know I have not uploaded a video, sit down video and talking to you guys about makeup or whatever over in the new location where I am. I guess I'm gonna call it like that. I know I pre-filmed so many videos back when I was in Puerto Rico. I still have like 4 or 5 left to upload, so you guys will probably see it in between this one. So but yeah, I wanted to film a video for you guys, and I miss you, so I missed filming a video, and I missed you guys too. So let's get started. So I did moisturize my face earlier, my skincare. So I'm just gonna moisturize it a little bit again. I will put under the description the makeup that I use. I'm also gonna talk about it over here. So if I need to talk about something, whether it's personal or not, then I will do it. And if I forget to mention something, it's always in the description. So this is the moisturizer that I use. I love this moisturizer. It's from Clinique. It's the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, and it's really good. I use it at night and in the morning. And I know for those who are probably gonna say, Dayannette, you're an oily girl, why are you moisturizing your face? It's important when you moisturize your face because you keep your face hydrated, and it's important. So even though you're oily, your face needs to be hydrated. And this has been my makeup routine for the past month or two, I would say. I just kept it that routine. Sometimes if I switch up something, it's probably like the eyeshadow palette that I use a new one or I use a different one. I always like to put this first and wait for it to dry because it takes a while to dry. This is the MILANI Make It Last setting spray. It's also good for priming. It says prime and correct and set. Yeah, I just missed you guys. I kind of wanted to film a chatty video, but I just want to show you guys so far the products that I have been using lately and like my routines. I'm just gonna focus on makeup, and then on another video I guess I will make it more chatty and talk about life. I feel like someone's gonna be really annoyed about this. I'm actually gonna take this off. My best friend, she's always like, why do you have your straps showing in the video? I'm gonna use the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I have a sample because I've been trying it lately. I kind of want to get it, so I just got the sample in a package a while ago, and I've been trying it lately to see if I want to get it or not because I want a new high-end primer. So lately I've been going in with my face first, and then I go in with my eyes. So you guys will see. I'm going in with my brows, and yes, I'm doing my brows on camera, but I'm doing it fast forward. So I have not changed my brow routine, just a brow product. I did try this Flower Beauty eyebrow pencil. My current foundation, and the one that I've been using lately, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Bronze Beige. So this is something that I've been doing as well, and I got this from Jaclyn Hill because I just loved the way that she was setting her makeup, and I was like, wait, I want to do it like that and see how it looks. And it's true, your makeup lasts so much longer, and it looks so it looks like skin, you know, it looks full coverage foundation. I mean makeup. I've been doing this, and I thought I stopped using this because I specifically said, when I tried it first, I was like, this is for dewy, this is for dry skin girls, and I am not a dry skin girl, but it's not. This is for everybody, and you just gotta find a way to use it with your oily slash dry combination type of skin. I would say mine is combination. I have a combo of both. So this is what I like to do first. I like applying this, and then I go in. I don't wait for it to dry. Photo Focus Foundation. And now I take the Fix Plus and I wet the Beauty Blender. This is from Morphe, by the way. I never mentioned the type of brushes that I use, or the type of whether I use a different sponge or whether I use a new one. I never mention it because sometimes I don't remember from where they are. Like this one's new, so I can tell you from where it is because I remember where I bought it. So I have texture going on because I have a couple of breakouts in my face, but just the way that it looks when everything is set. The only thing that I don't like about this foundation is how it looks in my nose. I feel like it looks way too dry. So don't worry if the brows get dirty. I always go back and fix it. I'll make this a chatty makeup routine so I can just tell you guys what I do and what I do. Now I cream contour. Lately I've been cream contouring for the past months actually, and I always cream contour first, go in with the Fix Plus and I wet the brush. With the same brush, I just blend it, doing it like tapping motions. Okay, now I go with a smaller brush like this, and I just make a line in my nose, which is where I contour. And then I don't try to blend it because I'm gonna put concealer on top of it, but sometimes I just fluff it out. So for concealer, lately I've been using this is my go-to, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I always forget what shade I am in and I try and guess it. So I bought one shade darker. This one's 20, which I always use, and then this one's 25. It's a little bit darker, but I go in, you guys will see the loose powder that I use, which is a throwback. I'm gonna go in with the sharper, the top area. I'm gonna blend it. You guys, I repurchased the Airspun loose face powder. I've used this for so long and I still don't know the name. And this is the powder I use whenever I use that concealer, because this makes me a little bit lighter. Whenever I bake or whenever I set it, it leaves you a tiny bit of a white cast. It doesn't leave flashbacks. I don't like leaving it on for that long, but lately what I do is that while this is baking, I go in and do my eyeshadow. On the other side of the beauty blender, I go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I just set on the sides of my brows. Lately, I have not set my eye. With or without setting it, for me it lasts the same, but it has more pigmentation, the eyeshadows. I have used 2 new palettes. I call them new because it's new for you guys because I haven't mentioned it here, but these are 2 custom palettes from Colourpop. This, I have to finish that row so you guys can see it's a little empty. Everyday type of eyeshadow. I always use these and this one, and then this one I use it for my crease. I only use this color right here, which is like a peachy type of color. Otherwise than that, if I want to kneel towards the gold tones because I know that it's too colorful for fall, then I just do it, and if not, then I don't use it. But normally I just use the peachy color, which is what I'm gonna use now. Lately, if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, mostly on my Instagram, I use my Snapchat, but I don't do tutorials as much as Instagram stories. But lately I've been doing my makeup through Insta stories, and I just upload it there, and if I don't, I just say what I'm using on my face or something that day that you guys are like, that you guys see a Insta story of mine and you see my makeup and you guys are like, what lips are you wearing, what's on your eyes, and I just say it. But lately I did a Halloween tutorial through there. I'll try and post a picture. It was a lot of fun actually. I remembered about something. All these eyeshadows, I think they have names under it, under the pan, so I'm gonna take the peachy one out and tell you guys the name. This is for you guys. Okay, this one's called Lay Low, and this is how it looks. It's the first one I went in with, and then on top of that, which is the color that I just applied, I went in with Wake Up Call. This is why I don't take them out. This is how it looks. And then usually I go in the outer part with the color Conundrum. I'm gonna put it over here so you guys can see. This is how it looks. It's a little bit darker than Wake Up Call, and I put it on the outer part. I used the Morphe Y18. Normally I go in with Sidetrack. I'm gonna try and show you guys how this beautiful color is. It has a little bit of shimmer. It looks like a lot, but it actually, when you apply it, you can barely see the shimmer. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit of the STILA Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. This is in the color Smoldering Satin. Just like that. You see, you can barely see the shimmer, but it's there. So it didn't leave like that much of a white cast. Sometimes it does if I'm taking much longer doing my makeup. And then I go in with the beauty blender and I tap so it looks more blendable. And now I go with my Fix Plus, again and I set. I forgot to get my eyelashes, so I'm gonna go get some lashes because why not? I'm also gonna put my mascara off camera. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara, which has been one of my go-tos. I love how my lashes look with this. And lately I've been mixing it with the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I have a sample of this, which I might get the full one. I usually don't get high-end mascaras, but the only high-end that I really love is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. But I actually like that one too, so I might get both. I usually don't go for that much of a glitter when it's an everyday, so it's a little different. For the face, I like going in with bronzer, and I use actually two bronzers. This one's new. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer. It's called Queensland. This is the Morphe M530, and I like going in circular motions and sideways. Put a lot on my forehead because I have a huge forehead. Now on top of that bronzer, I like going in with the Too Faced Natural Face Veil palette, and I like going in with a bronzer. This is called Sunny Honey. Okay, now I go in with the loose finishing powder from Maybelline, and I make a sharp line. I don't like leaving it for so long. Now I go in with blush. You guys know I used to use this so many times. I went back on it and I started using it once again. I've been using this two corally colors together a lot lately. I don't put anything away. Don't put the blush away yet, because I always go for highlighter, and then I go back with a little bit more of blush and I blend the highlight a little bit more before I spray my face again. And yes, I spray my face one more time with the Fix Plus. For the highlight, I got these before I came to Puerto Rico. You guys saw me unboxing the Shayla X Colourpop collection. This one's called Pose and this one's called Boomin'. I thought these were a little bit too dark for my face. I feel like this one's gonna go better, which this one's Boomin'. As you guys can see, I've never used this because it has the plastic thing. They say it's blinding, so I believe on that because I know. Have you seen her highlight? Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the brush. I'm gonna use the R35, is it called? Oh, R36, not 35. From Morphe. Ooh, this is blinding, alright. Okay, I didn't even wet the brush. I did wet my face though. You applied a little bit too much there. But I'm just gonna put what's in the brush already. I'm not gonna go back and pick up a little bit more blush. So I'm thinking of using a gloss today. I've been using gloss lately. Be proud of me because you guys know I'm not that much of a fan of gloss. Once again, Boomin'. Get it if you want a blinding highlight like this. Now for the lips. I have 3 options. Which option 3 has to go? This is French made, just in case, from NYX. And then we have the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. It was like a satin type of color. Driver. It's a pretty nude, actually. You see, it looks glossy, but it dries to a satin matte. And then we have the color Lace Detail, which is more of a light nude. I don't think it goes with this because it's pink. You see, it's like a light pink. But if I put it, this is a matte color, by the way. It's called Lace Detail. I think I might scratch the pink one. I just gotta explain that. I am not engaged. Well, it's like a promise ring, but it's also more of an engagement ring than a promise ring. Now this has been my go-to gloss, whether it's this one or the Fenty Beauty one. This is also from the Shayla X Colourpop collection. I've used it so much that I barely have some left, which I've never been so sad about a gloss. Neat freak. Sneak the freak out. Hey. Whoa. So I like putting this on the center. I think we're done. I want to keep filming, but I'm like, Dayannette, it's over. What else do you want to film? Let's do a montage. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this everyday type of makeup routine that I do. Let me know, as always, DM me, comments, anywhere, video suggestions. Yeah, I'm glad that I sat here, made some time, and decided to film. You guys, get ready for a drastic change on my hair. Get ready for vlogs, videos. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Let's do a music section. Oh my god. You know what I've been obsessing with? It's not this one. I've been liking this one too. You guys, this song has a lot of meaning. Now I'm gonna go. Peace.